Hello, and welcome back to another gardening video. Now, next to me here, you can see this amazing looking smart garden, and this is the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. And in this video, I just wanted to emphasize how amazing it is that I can grow all of these different vegetables all through winter. So when it's cold and stormy outside, when the trees have lost all their leaves and there's hardly any veg growing in the ground, I can still be growing quite tropical plants like tomatoes and basil inside with my Click and Grow. I also grew a full salad's worth of lettuce, which was really satisfying. And I've now just sown some chives and some Swiss chard that I can then harvest in the next couple of weeks. But it's really cool because I planted these tomatoes only a month or two ago, and if I'd done that outside, it would have taken months for them to have gotten to this stage, and I wouldn't have been able to do that in winter. And what I particularly like about this is that, well, you can see the size of it. I've got this positioned just on a little shelf in the hallway, and on top of that, every time I walk past, if I'm feeling a little bit peckish, for example, I can just pick off a basil leaf, pop it in my mouth, and have a nice taste for a while. And same with the lettuce or the chives. It's just a really nice little snack to have every so often as you're passing by. And just imagine outside, the ground's covered in snow or really frosty mornings, and the sun is hardly staying in the sky for that long before it sets and then rises again. But here in the Click and Grow, it's the same all year round. The light shines as brightly all the time, it's getting as much water as it wants all the time, and it's never having to worry about shortened days or no rainfall or too much rainfall. All the conditions are just right, which is what makes it so much better than even if you were growing in a polytunnel, for example. You're not getting these prime conditions that the plants in the Click and Grow are getting. And the same goes for all smart gardens. But what I particularly like about the Click and Grow is just how neat and perfect everything is. You can see it's just a completely flat surface, all the pods slot into each other, the whole lamp is perfectly smooth. This is a really good design. And if you would like to get yourself any Click and Grow Smart Garden, because they do lots other than this Smart Garden 9, then just go to clickandgrow.com, and if you do decide to end up buying this or one of their other products, then if you use code ZZGardening10 at checkout, then you'll get 10% off your entire basket, which will give you a really nice little discount for buying one of these gardens. And if you keep watching just a bit longer, you'll see the life cycle of when I first planted the basil, the tomatoes and the lettuce, all the way up to now, and I made sure to take photos every day or so you can see the progress right up from when they were seeds till now, when there's about 10 actual tomato fruits on the tomato plants that I'll be able to harvest and eat in a couple of weeks' time. So I hope this video was quite inspiring maybe, and you see the wonders of this garden and maybe think about getting one for yourself. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video then please hit that like button, and if you like this kind of stuff then I'll do more Click and Grow videos and maybe more videos on other smart gardens. But yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.